Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out my website, metrophonerepair.com. I'm going to do an unboxing of the I.O. Magictouch mobile projection keyboard. This is a virtual keyboard or laser keyboard. As you can see, it's compatible with Android, Windows, iOS, and BlackBerry OS 10 Plus. In the back, we got some features: full-sized keyboard, Bluetooth connection, compatible with latest devices, truly portable design, doubles as virtual multi-touch mouse, built-in battery, works on most opaque flat surfaces. Now I'm going to do some videos later testing it out, seeing just what surfaces it'll work on and how well it works with each one of the operating systems that it's available for, minus BlackBerry. And there you have it. On the back you have your power switch. Behind this door you have your micro USB charging port. That's your pairing mode button. You have to push and hold that down so that it can become visible to a device. And on the front's where your sensors are and the laser projector. In the box itself, you have the quick guide. And it actually shows what everything is in the front. Pattern projectors at the top, then there's the sensor, LED for Bluetooth status and for charging status, and the IR light. And then you have your user guide. Last but not least, your micro USB cable for charging it. It doesn't come with the wall charger, but you can plug it into a laptop or into any USB port that you have, or you can use your cell phone charger if you have any Android device. So let's see what this looks like powered on. And there you have it. When you click on it, the buttons actually make a nice little beep sound. You can see the Bluetooth light blinks as you're on. Later on I'm going to show how to connect this to different devices. I'm going to test it out with an iPad. I'm going to test it with the Galaxy S5 and probably a Windows device too. We'll throw one in there. Thanks for watching. Make sure to share my video and like and hit subscribe.